right, so we are about to start our second unit of science, and I just want to remind you today's assignment is just going to be to explore. So you're going to practice going to Clever, and then you're going to go to FOSS. And remember, it takes a minute, and it will say student page, and it will say your name, and I'm using Madison's up here. Now, if it looks like this, all you need to do is go back and click student page. Remember, it might take a minute to get there. And we're no longer environments. Now I want you to go to energy. And here's all your resources about energy. So there's some online activities, there's this library, there's vocabulary. You can go ahead and look at the book if you want to. What I want you to kind of go through is this recommended websites. So if you go to the recommended websites, it has all of these different sites that are all about energy. So there's an Energy Kids page. So what you do is you go down, and then this is what it's about, and then you can click on it, and it will take you there. You're going to find out what is energy sources, using, saving, history, and there's some games too. And so once you've explored that, then you can just click right back here to your other tab and look at another one. Maybe, let's see, maybe the design squad. I like designing things. All right, so there's activities and videos. You can go through here and you can just explore. I'm not going to give you any assignments except explore. So your task is to, let me go back, I'm going to go back to my student page. I'm going to show you how to get there. Energy. You want to go to recommended websites, and I want you to explore 3. I want you to write down 3. So when you do your assignment, I'm going to say, what 3 websites did you explore? And then you would either put BBC, Bitsize, Cyberchase. Tell me which ones you explored, and if you would recommend it or not. And that's all your science is for today.